Welcome back to the channel. So in this video you'll see the 32 GTR engine being built. Now keep in mind we built this and filmed it in 2020, so we've had it just sitting there waiting to be edited and stuff like that before we even knew that we were going to go ahead and try to do a YouTube channel or something with YouTube. The three people you'll see is myself, Phil, Nick and Vangeli, who is filming. This was just for a laugh at the time. We never actually thought anything was going to come from it, so bear in mind, like, this is just going to be a bit of a mission to chop and change it so it's nice, but there is a lot where like the camera will be sitting there and dragging. So what I'll do is I'll put some audio over it and speed up some of the video, only because some of the stuff we're saying is relevant to the build, and yeah, it's probably to YouTube guidelines. So we'll start off with here. We'll start off with the video. So let me just go through some of the stuff that got done to the engine being built this time. So obviously we had a hot wash in the crack test. We decked the block, bored and honed the cylinders. Had to get another RB26 crank. So the RB26 that I purchased originally was a 34 GTR engine, and they use a long nose crank, so I had to go buy another 34 GTR crank. And then we got that machined. We got ACL race bearings put in, H-beam rods, forged piston set. I think these are branded wise XP maybe, I'm not too sure, let me double check on that one. Got balance the crank, got the oil restrictors put in, MLS but head gasket. We got a new oil pump that was genuine N1, but they removed it and fit billet gears, so it's a bit stronger. Upgraded the sump to an 8-litre sump, and yeah, we put a Gates timing belt in it, obviously done the water pump and head machined. That was already done anyway prior to this engine, but we just got it machined and got a new spring set put in there. We only went single springs in the valves, not double springs, but yeah, so that's a little bit of a breakdown on what we got. Let me double check what pistons we got in this, just to make sure. I'm forgetting the brand right now.
But smiling, we're not leaving until the GTRs did the
So touching back, it was CP pistons, 86 mil,
just to keep ourselves up,
with the normal ratio of 8:1. We didn't upgrade the ratio at all. We didn't change it. I wanted to try to keep it as original as possible and make it as strong as possible throughout this, but yeah, it already had a custom baffle put into the sump as well when I got it made. And as far as cams go, I think they were 282 or 272 by 9 lift. 282, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. and they still work. And I'm like, this is fucked. Yeah, I forget about that reliability.
Never forget when you first picked me up on that Nemo Back Streets.
Fucking film again.